Hi everyone, welcome in this new video. Today I'm going to focus on what's a workspace in Aquarium. So a workspace is an interface that you can use to display your project data. We have several of them available, and today I'm going to focus only on how to use the workspace, how to filter a table, how you can also customize the columns, because most of all the workspaces that we provide are working the same way. So let's focus on the episode overview first. So this workspace is displayed as a table, so you can see all the columns that I defined. And we try to have the same experience as a spreadsheet, so you can grab a column, move it to the right or to the left if you want to change the order. You can also click on the name of the column to have access to more columns options. And obviously you can also filter this table. So if you want to filter based on something that directly appears in the column, you can right click on a cell and say I want to filter those episodes based on their status. Automatically the table is filtered, and you can see just above the table that we display all the filters that you have here. So you can click on a filter and select, for example, other filters. Or you can also say, I don't want the episode where the status is RTK to is not. So it's excluding those episodes. To create new filters, you can also click here on the small plus. So you can see the list of all the presets that we provide. And you can also create your own filter with a user interface. So you can click on the column name and go to configure the column. So that's where you have access on the left of all the columns that you have. You can see that you can also disable columns if you don't want them to appear. And on the right, you have all the columns informations, their name, their size. You can change their color, if you want. And just here in the middle, this is where you can change the column options. So for example, here in my thumbnail, I can change the size of the thumbnail. You can ask to Aquarium to display a bigger image when you hover the cell, for example. So with that, now you can directly have a bigger preview of everything. And that's working for all the columns you want. So feel free to try it out if you want to customize a specific column, maybe to change its display or to change its default behavior. As you can see on the screen, you can also have computed columns where you can have some mathematical calculation for your columns, like this one is the completion of all my episodes. So you can use our existing presets again or just create your own. And one last thing is, if you are looking to edit other properties of your workspace, you have here on the top a small pen. It's opening for you the workspace editor interface. And the one thing I wanted to show you is especially the sharing and permissions. Because with that system, if you want, for example, to avoid some team member to be able to edit the workspace by removing columns, creating new columns, you can update their permissions if they are inside the user group. You can update the user group permissions to read-only. If you have the list of all the users, you can obviously change his or her permissions directly from here. That's it for today's video. Let us know if you have any questions. In the meantime, have a nice day and see you soon.